Hello family, you are welcome back to my channel. Here is Rhema Healthy Way, your home of healthy recipes. So to anybody who has been a support to this channel, I want to say a very big thank you to you, to my returning subscribers. I love you guys. If you're watching me for the first time, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. So let's get into today's video. On my recipe table, I have chicken and vegetable stir fry. So then I have half chicken over here, and I'm going to use part of this and not everything. To make sure I cut it into smaller sizes. And to marinate this, I'll need some salt, of course. And I'm also going to add some black pepper to this. The next I'm adding is rice wine, which is very important. Then I am going to give it a mix. After this, what I'm going to do is to add some oyster sauce to it. I'm also going to add some soy sauce. And the next is sesame oil. Then I'm going to give it a mix. So guys, at this point, the next ingredient I'm going to use on this is cornstarch. I'm not going to use that much, which is very important. And I also want you to note that there wasn't any liquid at all after washing my chicken. I made sure that I take all the liquids out. Okay, and I'm going to keep this in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. So after this, my chicken is ready to fry. So you want to note, I'm going to give this 2 fries. Okay, I'm going to fry it twice. So this is the first fry, and I'm going to make sure that I don't get it burnt. So in the space of 1 minute, I have to make sure that I give it a little stir so it doesn't get burnt. So I'm going to do the first frying for about 3 minutes. After which I'm going to remove them off the oil. Then I'm going to give it a second fry as well. So I'm going to do this by stirring intermittently because I don't want it to get burnt in any way. And to note, my heat is on medium heat and not a very high heat. So at this point, my chicken is looking so beautiful and it's almost done. I don't want it burnt. So after this, I am going to take it off the oil or off fire. So the recipe begins. In my frying pan, I'm adding some oil to this. You can use any oil of choice, olive oil, coconut oil. Then I'm adding some celery, and also I'm going to add some carrots to it. Then give it a little stir for about a minute and come back to it again. After which I am going to add my chicken to it. We don't have to let this be on heat for a long time because it can get our vegetables so soft, which is not advisable. So I'm adding some black pepper and oyster sauce. Then I'm adding some soy sauce. I'm adding sweet soy sauce as well. The next is water. About a glass of water is enough, depending on the quantity. Okay, so for me, I am using about a half of water and also sesame oil. So I'll just leave this and then add my corn slurry to it. And at this point, my recipe is almost done. Okay, so I'm going to leave it for about 30 seconds to 1 minute and we are done. So guys, if you are still not part of this beautiful family, you want to click on that subscribe button. You want to turn on bell notification anytime I upload a new video. YouTube is going to send you a notification, all right? So this is our recipe and it's looking so delicious and yummy. I'm going to do this with rice and you need to be on that table. So guys, thank you so very much. I love you all. Thank you for being here. Thank you for always coming around to support. Thank you for sharing. If you're not sharing, don't forget to share. Give us a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. Encourage me to do more. All right, so then if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. Thank you very, very much. So until I come your way again next time, see you in my next video. It's bye.